Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Advertisement. Place squash, cut sides down, in a 9 by 13 baking dish. Pour water into dish around squash halves. Bake in the preheated oven until tender and easily pierced with a fork, about 1.5 hours.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fill Dutch oven or pot with 1 to 2 inches of water. Bring to a boil. Place squash in a steamer basket or colander and sprinkle with salt. Place basket or colander in pot and cover. Do not reduce heat. Allow to steam for about 7 to 10 minutes, until you can pierce with a fork. The 15th of February 2017.
Take our lead.
Melt the butter in a large pot, and cook the onion, celery, carrot, potatoes, and squash 5 minutes, or until lightly browned. Pour in enough of the chicken stock to cover vegetables. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover pot, and simmer 40 minutes, or until all vegetables are tender.
Take our lead.
Place the squash in one layer in a roasting tray and season lightly with salt and pepper. Sprinkle over the seeds, cover tightly with tin foil and bake for 30 minutes, or until the skin of the squash is soft. Then remove the foil and cook for another 10 minutes until the squash is golden and crisp.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.